How to fix login error on Instagram on iPhone or iOS device. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix the login error or app error on Instagram on iOS device. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy. First things first, if you're trying to log into your account, you want to make sure you are connected to proper internet connection, and you want to make sure you have typed in your credentials or your account credentials such as your email and password correctly. Now if you have done so and if it's still saying error, then it might be an issue within the app. Now to fix the glitch or bug within the app, what you want to do is you want to simply head into your settings on your device. Once you head on to settings, what you want to do is you want to scroll down below until you find the option general. Simply tap on the general option. Once you tap on general option, you can see the iPhone storage option. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on iPhone storage here, what you want to do is you want to scroll down below and you want to locate Instagram. You want to fix issue for Insta, right? So you want to select Instagram. Now here you can see there on blue color there you can see offload app option. You want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, it'll ask you for confirmation. At the bottom of the screen you can see offload app and cancel option. You want to simply tap on offload app option. What this does is this will reset your application completely. It'll remove any credentials as well, so make sure you have backed up your account as well. Now here, once you offload the app, it'll remove any glitches and bugs and you'll be able to log in easily once you open the app again. So this way you can fix login error or the app error on Instagram on iPhone or iOS device. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.